Discover the Air Jordan 1 Min SE Flight Club, a standout special edition that blends classic Jordan heritage with bold modern energy. This pair features a pale ivory base contrasted by deep black leather that gains character with every wear. Vibrant hits of racer pink, seen on the embroidered Swoosh and heel wings logo, inject a fresh and dynamic pop that elevates the entire silhouette. Orange-toned laces add warmth reminiscent of a sunset, creating striking contrast against the dark tongue and crisp Jumpman label. The padded collar, soft inner lining, and cream-tinted midsole deliver comfort while maintaining that iconic Air Jordan 1 shape. A rich black outsole with a circular traction pattern adds visual depth and stability. Perfect for daily wear, this model balances subtle textures with energetic color blocking, making it a must-have for sneaker fans looking for something stylish, versatile, and rooted in Jordan's historic streetwear legacy.